First, remove the microphone. Add solder flux to the pad. Take a moderate amount of low-temperature solder. 158 degrees iron soldering the pads. Make sure the pads are even and full. Clean the motherboard. Iron quickly touches the new microphone's golden footpads. Coating with a silver-white layer of tin. Be fast. Then apply a thin layer of rosin to the pads. Too much rosin may block the microphone's hole. Cyclone gun 2008 180 degrees wind 100, blow the pads. While the solder melts, slowly place the microphone on the pads. The principle is that low-temperature solder solidifies slowly, it won't hurt the main board, and won't blow the microphone if blowing at 180 degrees for a while. Okay, complete the replacement now.